Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your TV. A simple reset can often fix many frustrating television problems, from a frozen screen to issues connecting to your Wi-Fi network. It is an effective way to clear out minor software glitches and restore optimal performance, saving you time and potentially a service call. Understanding these steps will help you resolve common issues quickly and efficiently. The simplest method is a soft reset, which often resolves many issues. First, unplug your television entirely from its power source at the wall. Then, wait for at least 60 seconds. This ensures all power completely drains from the system. While it is unplugged, press and hold the power button directly on the TV for about 5 seconds. Finally, plug your television back in and power it on. This frequently resolves minor software hiccups. If a soft reset does not work, a factory reset might be necessary, but be aware this erases all your custom settings and installed apps. Start by navigating to your TV's main settings menu using your remote control. Look for sections like System, Device Preferences, or About. Within those menus, you should find an option labeled Reset or Factory Reset. Select this option and confirm, understanding it will return your TV to its original, out-of-the-box state. After performing a factory reset, your television will usually restart automatically. You will then need to go through the initial setup process again, just as you did when you first purchased it. This includes selecting your language, reconnecting to your Wi-Fi network, and rescanning for any broadcast channels. If you find that issues still persist after both a soft and a factory reset, it is a good idea to consult your TV's user manual or contact the manufacturer for further assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.